Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another review. The unit I'll be reviewing today is from CurlsCurls. This is their Kinky Curly and it's more like a 3C 4A texture. As you can see, it does have a nice ombre highlighted color. So guys, this is what a Kinky Curly unit looks like when you first get it out of the package, so don't get alarmed. First thing you're going to want to do is co-wash it. But before I get into that, let me go ahead and show you what the cap construction looks like. As you can see, the knots on this unit do come bleached. It has the standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. These roots are slightly over bleached, but I'll show you guys how to fix that in a minute. Okay, doll, so now I'm ready to put this unit on. And as I mentioned, these knots are slightly over bleached, so I'm going to just apply some of this root touch up to the roots of this unit. And as you guys can see, that easily fixes that issue. So I'm not sure if I want to wear this glueless or glue this down. Let you guys get a closer look of this pre-plucked hairline. It's very natural looking. And this unit is 100% dry right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the lace off. If you want to leave some of your edges out for a more natural look, you can. This is what it would look like. However, I don't really like to leave my edges out. I like to use my units as protective styles, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray it down. I'm going to lay this down with my Wonder Lace Firm and Active hairspray. I'm going to use some of my wax stick just to kind of flatten down these roots. Now, one thing about CurlsCurls is they do give you a curly unit from root to tip, and that does give like a more natural look. But personally for me, I just like when the hair coming from the scalp is as flat as possible. So I'm gonna just dab at this parting area. I'm not gonna really bring it up because I don't want to get rid of the curls, but I do want it to be super flat coming from off the part. And now I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to define this part just a little bit. I'm going to add some of my powder back to my forehead area just to get everything to blend in together. Now take a look at this install. As you can see, is a lot more clean. Something about that wax stick and that flat iron to me just give it that like melted look that I just love on my installs. Okay, dolls, so this is all I'm going to do to this unit. This is a very easy unit to install. As I mentioned, if you want, you can wear it glueless. It does come with the adjustable elastic bands in the back. So let me go ahead and give you the details on this unit. As I mentioned, this unit comes from CurlsCurls. This is their Melissa wig in a gradient ombre color. I'm not really sure what color this is. It's giving me a combination of like blonde but brown, like a blondish brown color. I think it's complementary to any brown skin tones, or basically any skin tones at that matter. I was a little nervous when I first put it on my head, to be quite honest. I wasn't sure if I like it with my complexion, but it looks okay. I'm fine with it. I think it's a good alternative for my natural girls who probably wear their hair like this but don't want to bleach it. Because I know when I used to be natural, bleach was just something that I just vowed I would never put in my hair again, which is one of the reasons why I love wigs. It allows me to bleach and color my hair without actually ruining my hair. So with this particular unit, you could have that naturalista look and still have some color while maintaining your natural curls and healthiness, because we all know bleach really ain't good for your hair, okay? But it's great for a wig. As I mentioned, this is the Melissa unit. It's in 16 inches. This is a kinky curly texture. I believe my hair texture is probably similar to this. It might be a little bit more coily, but it has a very natural texture to it. I'm gonna get closer to the camera just so you can get a closer look at the texture. So as you guys can see, it does look very natural. I did a review not too long ago for a Her Given Hair unit that is very similar to this texture. But of course, CurlsCurls is a very good alternative to Her Given Hair. And most of the time you could get it at a cheaper price point. One thing I do want to caution about kinky curly hair is that you will have to like refresh the hair at least every day when you put it on. But as you see, all I did was I just took my water bottle and I just sprayed some water on it. If you want, you can add product. I wouldn't necessarily add product every day, maybe every other day. As you guys saw, I did use the Cantu Shea Butter. Another alternative to that is you could try some mousse, maybe some Nairobi mousse or some Lotta Body mousse. Just put like a little squirt in your hand. It doesn't take much, and just kind of like touch the ends and spritz it. You're definitely gonna want to wet the hair just so it doesn't have that like dry look. One thing we do know about curly hair is that once you're done styling it, you can forget about it. You don't have to style it throughout the day. Actually, you actually don't want to style it throughout the day. You want to just let it be, and it's all naturalness. So dolls, as always, I will have all the information for this unit provided in the description box down below. I'm gonna need your help naming this unit for me. What do you think we should call her? She's such a natural beauty. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Go ahead and leave suggestions in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so here's a look of this unit outside in the sunlight in all its glory. And guys, I present to you my balcony runways featuring this two-piece set from my website, shopfabulous.com. Be sure and check us out and follow us on Instagram as well. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, be sure and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.